Welcome to my channel, good people. Today, I am going to look into why, say, 93% of the new beginners in stock investing lose their hard-earned money, and then provide some very reliable advice on how to generate consistent wealth in stock investing. To inform you, most of this advice is from diverse, reliable, and dependable sources, like the father of value investing, Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett, and Tony Robinson, etc. Besides, these tips or advice also include my personal experience as a stock investor. Again, these tips or strategies, if you like, have been tested several times and have produced consistent positive results. So, grab a cuppa. Of course, I mean a cup of tea, and then subscribe. Okay, first thing first. As a new investor, do not confuse stock investing as the same thing as forex trading. So, what is stock? Okay, it is an investment that you can own by buying a share from the company that issued the stock. And for companies, stock market provide them with an opportunity to raise money by issuing shares to investors. Meaning, if and when you buy one share, you own a fraction of that company. Hence, you become a shareholder. And for forex trading, in simple terms, is the trading in currency from different countries against each other. For example, the US dollar against the euro, and forex stand for foreign exchange. Now, I want to believe you know the difference. So, this is my advice. As a new beginner, do not go the route, do not start with forex trading. And I think you want me to explain why. And you could argue that some people are making money in forex trading. Well, you see, as a new beginner, when you make money, you will lose it sooner. It is a bait. You will take 3 steps forward and 6 steps backwards. And I'd like to inform you, with forex trading, you are competing with the quote and unquote big boys, the likes of banks and financial institutions. Therefore, as an individual, you are a retail forex trader. And the big boys have more liquidity to swing the market in whatever direction they deem fit. Okay, perhaps you want to argue that AI is doing the trading on your behalf. And as such, you can't lose money. Wrong, sir. Robot has been known to have failed several times. And with robot, there's a monthly fee that comes with it. You will hardly break even. Okay, moving on. As a new beginner, do not engage or trade options. Why? Because option is for professionals who have been in the game for, say, 5 to 10 years, who understood the composition of option tradings. To inform you, though, option is an investment strategy you can deploy to hedge your portfolio. That said, you must understand the intricacies of option as a tool. There is a learning curve involved, meaning before you start with options, master the game of options. And talking about cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, you can invest in some of these digital assets, the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and keep them and watch your investment grow with time. Though these crypto assets are very volatile, however, they will eventually appreciate with time. And in my opinion, I will allocate, say, 5% of my portfolio to digital assets. Please listen to this key point. Financial education is not a luxury, rather it is a necessity. So you must get yourself educated. And a good way to start is by listening to some of the very good channels on YouTube that discusses financial education, like my channel, and some more. And you can take it further, say by taking some of the courses on some of these channels. Soon, I will start stock investing course. Check my website www.investmentanalysis247.com. One word, investmentanalysis247.com. I will announce the date soon when I will start my course investing. Investing course. Okay, as you engage in financial education, don't lose out. Start investing by investing in index fund. Buy index fund. An index fund is a portfolio of stocks or bond designed to mimic the composition and performance of financial market index. Index fund have lower expense and fees. I highly recommend you watch my video titled Index Fund for Beginners Details Review. You will see the clip at the end of this video. And then as you progress in your investment journey, invest in companies with great fundamentals. And perhaps you want me to explain the objective of fundamentals. Okay, no worries. You see, with fundamentals analysis, you will be able to evaluate the management of the property, financial position of the company, calculate credit risk of the company asset, and determine the intrinsic value of the company. And for more about fundamental analysis, check my video titled Stock Market for Beginners, Secret Review. You will see the clip at the end of this video. Moving on, let's say you are now confident of buying individual company stocks. Great, good news. But please consider these 5 metrics as you choose your company stocks. 1. Business mode. Profit, undervalue or overvalued stock price, debt. Will people still be using these products or services in 20 years? Why not check my video titled How to Evaluate and Pick Stocks? I explain all the 5 metrics in details in the video. That said, you will agree with me now that investing isn't complicated as often portrayed by the industry. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. And thanks a million for those who have subscribed. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.